In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Talk360. If you're using an Android phone and you want to get Talk360 set up quickly and correctly, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it in a clear, step-by-step way so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official app store for Android, and it's the safest place to download apps. Make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the store can load properly and the app can download without interruption. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Talk360. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below the search bar. Go ahead and select the result for Talk360, or finish typing the name and search for it manually. From the search results, look for the app called Talk360. Travel, call, and connect. It's important to choose the correct app so you install the official version. Take a quick moment to confirm the app name before moving on. When you found it, tap on the app to open its download page. On that page, you'll see the Install button. Tap Install to begin downloading the app to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. During this time, your phone will download and install the app automatically, so all you need to do is wait for the process to finish. After the download is complete, you'll see the option to open the app. Tap Open to launch Talk360 for the first time. This will take you into the app so you can begin setting it up. Once the app opens, the final step is to sign up or log in. If you're new to Talk360, choose the sign up option and follow the prompts to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing details. Make sure you enter your information carefully so you can access the app without any issues. And that's it. Talk360 is now downloaded and ready to use on your Android device. If you found this helpful, you can follow along again anytime you need a quick refresher.